Yeah, you're going to Team ECC range review time, and we are virtually in your backyard. We've just grabbed this out of the back of Charlie's vehicle, but this is one of your little pride and joys.
Yeah, I love my little Weber BabyQ. This is one thing. This is my barbecue.
Yeah,
and I use this
I can see your steaks have been done on there and that. But yeah,
it's had many a steak, many a sausage on there as well.
But perfect for what you do. It sits into your vehicle perfectly. Comes out, sits on this little arm here. People are sitting under the awning there having a cold drink while you cook up dinner, breakfast, lunch, whatever.
Oh, I love it, mate. I love my bacon and eggs in the morning.
Yeah.
I love my steaks at dinner. And the Weber Q, she's perfect for that. It's nice, compact, light. I've got the barbecue arm. I end up with a full kitchen setup.
Yeah.
The fridge, the table, the barbecue, the beers are cold, meat's hot.
Everything's ready to go. So this is one of the few in the range that you guys have got as well.
So we've got this is the BabyQ. We've also got the Weber Q. We've got the family Q as well.
Yeah.
So that's the real big puff daddy we were looking at. And what I just love about this, it's so simple and easy to use.
Yeah.
The knob on the side.
Yeah.
And I do go a little bit ham. I've got a lot of special little pieces of this. I've got the stone grill as well because I do cook my little mini pizzas in here.
Yeah, lovely.
On the beach, you like to have it take away at home.
A little bit gourmet, or gourmet we're going to call Charlie, gourmet Charlie. But I guess once you've got the little BBQ set up here, you're virtually ready to rock and roll. You've got everything.
Mate, I've got my full outdoor kitchen.
This is your baby, so to speak.
Mate, this is where I live and breathe. This is what I love. This is what Australia is. We want to go out, we want to explore. And this is what Everything Caravan Camping brings. We've got everything on there you can possibly need to go away on your next adventure.
So basically, if you want to put yourself into this picture, be cooking, relaxing, we're by the river, it's pretty simple. Jump on everythingcaravancamping.com.au and check out all the range.